Hi, this is Rajiv from AdvorksDigital. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI avatars. Have you ever imagined having your own virtual doppelganger that can interact with others on your behalf? Well, with the power of artificial intelligence, it's now possible. From virtual assistants to personalized chatbots, AI avatars are changing the way we communicate and engage with technology. In this video, we'll explore the exciting possibilities of AI avatars, their potential applications, and their impact on society. So, sit back and get ready to discover the fascinating world of AI avatars. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's get started. First, open Midjourney. And now create your own avatar. Type/imagine prompt full body portrait of a brunette man with blonde streaks wearing a black coat, semi-realistic, confident, shallow depth of field. Wait few seconds and choose your image. I'll select first one, choose you one. Now final image is generated, open in browser. Save your image and copy image address to create another options. Create another image. Type/imagine prompt and paste address link and copy same previous search and paste. I'll change dress color and press enter. Now our second image are generated. I'll select first one, choose you one. Now final image is generated, open in browser. Save your image.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Now open ChatGPT and create script. I'll write a YouTube intro about AI avatar.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now our script is ready. Copy script for next step.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance,
Open text-to-voice software. I'll use Fleeky.
you and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever.
Choose your voice artist as per your requirement. There is a lots of options are available. Paste your script or create your own script.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
And generate voice and export your audio file. Now our audio is generated. Next step, remove background and background color to green.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Open website, remove .bg and upload image file. Also upload green color image in background image options.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to
We can change green color in any video editor. Download final image.
forever free.
Now move to next step. Create image to video. Open DID to create talking avatar. Create video and add your final image. Upload
Sometimes you need to go
our audio file.
and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Generate video and download file.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now our AI avatar is ready. Hope you like our video.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.